If you like warm, fluffy biscuits without having to knead or roll a thing, this is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy cheddar drop biscuits. Now these are going to come together quickly with simple ingredients, and they're going to bake up soft on the inside with light crispy edges. I'm starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I like to spoon it into the measuring cup instead of scooping it so that it doesn't get packed in. Now, once my flour is measured, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And to this, I will add 3/4 teaspoons of salt. And I'm going to give this a quick mix. I'm adding in a 1/2 cup of cold unsalted butter that I cut into small cubes. I'll give it a quick stir, and then I'll use my dough blender to cut it in until the butter pieces are about pea size and the mixture looks crumbly. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of freshly shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm going to gently mix this in. I'm pouring in 1 cup of cold regular milk here, no buttermilk needed, okay? I'm going to gently mix until the dough comes together, okay? So I am not going to overmix this. If you overmix your dough, your biscuits will come out dense. So you're going to mix it just like this, then stop. I'm going to lightly butter the bottom and sides of a 10-inch cast iron skillet so the biscuits won't stick and so that they will brown up very nicely. I will scoop 8 biscuits into the skillet, and I like to let them touch slightly so that they'll rise up and stay fluffy in the center. I also leave the tops a little rough so those edges will get nice and lightly crispy. Okay, and I am baking these in a preheated 425-degree oven for 18 minutes. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. And look at how delicious these biscuits turn out. They are warm, fluffy, and smell amazing. These are the kind of biscuits you can make on a cold morning and enjoy warm right out of the oven. They come together quickly with basic ingredients, as you clearly saw in this video, and they bake up beautifully every single time. They're extra fluffy on the inside with light crispy edges, and this is exactly what you want in a breakfast biscuit. If you try this recipe, come back and let me know how your biscuits turn out. As always, I thank you so much for your support. For more simple and easy recipes like this, I will see you in my next one.